This is Adler Universal. I took everything, take off the carriage and then outside the frame case. Yeah, just to put the ribbon, and then after review, and then I put the just the carriage, and then I try to sample typing. It's very heavy and then very solid. I clean a lot. I think I got this one almost free because I bought a lot of typewriter from friend. He live in New Jersey, so his uncle repair typewriter more than 50 years. So he got everything, and then he start to part with them. So one of this from that wrist, I bought from that gentleman like more than 40 typewriter, and then I still got a message from him, a very nice one. He wanna part with them because I had a plan to display all of them in the public library. So he realized that, and then he want to let me know the list first. Anyway, this serial number is here under the carriage. Actually, I removed the carriage. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 4, 8. According to the typewriter database, it was manufactured like 1958, probably. Yeah, someone's little bit earlier is 1950, or a little bit later 1961. So it's closer to the 1958 or 1959. Either way, this right now like this, right? So just with this we can see the like this one shift key, right? And then shift drag, right? And then this is margin, I think pass, right? And then backspace here, and then this from here to here is all taps. So we need the tap setup, this one, and then this is a tap clear, and then other stuff I can explain with the carriage. And then without that carriage, see, this is of course it's like a space bar, right? And then this is look at that, you cannot see. This is for the ribbon color choice, okay? And then stencil. This is for the one of the this typewriter special. It can be, we can adjust the horizontally the space each letter. That's the number 1. It's a regular. Like this one is a number 2. It's one more space after hitting each letter. It's automatically. So I will show you later. We did the whole case, but I like this naked one. So with this, I wanna try some sample typing. Okay. after putting the outside case, we can screw this one and then this one, okay? And then so before putting this one, we need no space bar did not connect it. After putting this one, and then you can later put the space bar, okay? Right now I screw this one both, and then I'll do the space bar, okay? Now I am doing put the space bar on the bar. There is a hole, so we can use the screw, okay? Alright, now we can get the outside case and then space bar. Now I will put the carriage, okay? The carriage, there is a hole and then like some what is a holder, right? This one same. There's a holder and then there is a hole. We should put the holder into the hole both sides. Now it's a get in, and then to lock, there is a two screw, very big screw. We can lock side. There is another hole, right? Yeah, here. There is another hole here. Put the and then you can screw to lock the. Did you see the before holder, right? We can lock that holder. That means we cannot take out this one after lock this one. Lock means screw to the holder. So this is the left side. It's actually same. You can do the same. Let's see. See? Yeah, it's sunshine outside. So from my side, it is hard to see. Now I think it's almost locked. So I cannot take out this without unscrew this one, okay? Then you can get the this one, okay? So now we can explain more. This is a ribbon color choice, right? And then this is a regular space, right? If you push two like this, that means space is one more after hitting. Okay, let's see some sample typing. See the difference. This is the horizontal space adjustment. It's 1 means regular, 2 means one more space after each hitting the any key. See, so that one is I type with the 2 option, and then this one is with the regular option. That's one of the unique thing from of this typewriter. And then another unique thing, this one, we can feed the paper just one this lever. We can feed the paper a lot. So that's the another unique thing. And then this is tap setting. This is a tap clear. So like a tap set here, and then we can move there, and then any tap key, that means we start here, right? After putting the tap key, let's see, yeah, this one is we can pass the all taps like this. See this one here, but if I hit right now this one, then we can pass that tap. See, yeah. And then this one is we can clear all taps just using one lever. So even though we have 3 taps, just this one we can clear all taps. And then this one, as you know, the line space, right? 1, 1.5, 2, something like that. This is a variable line space. Also, this is the same thing, variable line space. Yeah, and then this carriage release, and this part carriage release. Okay, yeah, very beautiful typeface, right? I wanna say thank you for my friend in New Jersey. He gave me this one is like a free, almost free, I guess, because this lever is broken, and then at the time some function work doesn't properly, especially this one. After cleaning inside, it work starts, and then little bit needed to the how to use it. This one anytime is okay. After push this one, and then little bit push down this one. I don't know why. Then it works properly. That's the what I realized. What I found. And then we can cover this one like this. Yeah, that's the complete right now. Also, the feet front one is okay. The behind one, it's already some dirty, and then some started to dry out. So I want to change this one before exhibition. This is this holder behind. Yeah, that much. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching.